Good afternoon, welcome to a new video. And yeah, I'm wearing my glasses this time. I can actually see for a change. So yeah, I'm going to go for a walk up towards Blackpool Central and see if there's any updates regarding the former police station, and just have a general mooch about. It is Saturday the 15th of February. Yeah, so it's a day after Valentine's Day. And it is the first Saturday of Blackpool Pleasure Beach being open. So I'll cover that in another video. But yeah, for now, I'm going to walk up to Blackpool Central and just have a mitch about. So yeah, I'll take you guys with me for the walk. So yeah, just walking through the car park at the moment. Up towards Blackpool Football Club, which is just over there in the distance. Yeah, the reason why I'm doing a afternoon video is because I was working from 8 o'clock this morning till 12. So yeah, it's a bit of a late one. See what it's like in the afternoon, because normally I do come out quite early on. So hopefully in the afternoon there might be quite a few more people out and about. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to carry on up here and head off towards the football stadium, so I'll catch up with you back up there. Yeah, just walking in this area, it seems like there's a few more people about. Whether that's due to a football match, I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, we've got Travelodge over there, Blackpool South Shore, which is opposite Blackpool Football Club. So if you're a football support and you need anywhere to stop over, there's a Travelodge right there for you. Cheap and cheerful. Although personally I don't quite rate the breakfast, but that's just me. I mean, overall, not too bad. Yeah, so it looks pretty busy around here. I think it's mostly football supporters. So I think it's safe to say that there's a football match going on. Yeah, there's definitely quite a few people showing up. But anyway, off we go further up here. Yeah, so they've even got a mounted branch there for the horses, and there's quite a few coaches parked up around here. Couple here all the way from Mansfield. So yeah, we're nearly at Blackpool Central now. Not too far off. You can even see Blackpool Tower there in the distance. Good old Blackpool Tower. Never disappoints. So yeah, just few more yards to go, then we'll be there. I can have a look at former police station. And a quick one, they've actually changed the sign there, but still got these up: Monster Hunt, Light Pool, Blackpool Illuminations. Yeah, they're a bit outdated. But at least they've changed one, that Mark Kelly's one. Can barely pronounce it. You still got Christmas. You still got Christmas by the sea one up here. Oh God. I wasn't sure what my camera was doing there. It was just off to the left all the way. Yeah, you got a few people in that car park down there. Got this here, Blackpool's Big Night Out. Showboat Blackpool. Every Saturday from March 2025. They got all these shows that are going on. So yeah, at least that, sometimes have changed. I think it'd be better though if they made them digital. Might cost in the long run, but short term, that's like, it might cost in short term, but long term it'll work out cheaper. Yeah, you got a Blackpool Central car park just in front of us, just there. Blackpool Tower and Distance. So you got Tower and Distance, and you got quite a few cars parked up around this neck of the woods. Working on Saturday. And they'll probably work today, then they won't bother working tomorrow. Sooner they get it done though, the better. Better for us, but also better for them. Because then they can move on to the next job. So you got more work can go. You got the car park. Oh, looks like I'm at it anyway. Yeah, definitely no way to start around here. And just in front of me, as you can tell, February half-term, it's already looking busy. It's already looking busy down this neck of the woods. Don't think Happy Days is open yet though. Don't think that opens up till March. I can't even think what his name is now. And you go through Chris £1 burger. So yeah, there isn't much work going on around this side. I'll have a look at it from the main car park, but I'm not holding my breath for anything. I think most of it is internal work that they need to carry out, like asbestos removal and stuff like that. So I don't think there'll be anything don't think anything construction wise will happen for quite a while. Yeah, we've still got all this car park closed off. Around there. Yeah, there's nothing new yet. Apart from that, they've got all this taped off. People are probably moving all the signs out of the way so they can park up here for free, or they're having like car meets or something during the night, which obviously I won't see. Wouldn't surprise me though. So yeah, they've got all that taped off now. You've got Seal there. And this is where Bonny Street Market used to stand. But it's just all wasted ground at the moment. Till they do whatever they want to with it. But first of all, I know they want to flatten all that. And that's when they'll probably get investors coming in. I think they want to try and just flatten it so then it's ready for any investors that want to move in onto the land, and they can do what they want. And yeah, we're just opposite Coral Island. That brings us to the end of that video. If you liked it, hit the like button, hit subscribe, ding dong that notification bell. I'll catch you all in the next video.